Tornado season is right around the corner for Mississippi, and many officials are starting to remind residents about tornado safety. WTVD meteorologist Brittany Bell says one key to keeping people safe is knowing the difference between a tornado watch and a tornado warning.
The difference between a watch and a warning, I know some people get confused about that. A watch just means conditions are favorable, and then a warning, some people get confused about that. That doesn't necessarily mean a tornado is on the ground, but that means a tornado is imminent. Like that storm is showing rotation, and that storm could produce a tornado at any time.
Media outlets and government agencies like the Mississippi Emergency Management Agency have multiple ways of letting people know when a warning is issued. Ray Coleman, an external affairs officer with MEMA, says there are multiple ways to stay connected.
What you want to do, I always recommend people have multiple ways of receiving communication, whether it be your cell phone, a weather radio, because the cool thing about those is they're battery powered, so when your power goes out at home or at school, your weather radio is still working. Your cell phone is still working too if it's charged up, so you can get those alerts. Always stay tuned to your local media because the meteorologist in your area is tracking that area that you live in.
When a warning is issued, both Bell and Coleman say to take shelter in sturdy structures, which are usually located in the center of a home or building away from windows. And if you're out on the road when a tornado hits, Bell suggests an unlikely place to take shelter.
If you're near, let's say, a fast food restaurant, go inside the freezer, because usually that's pretty a strong area to go to, a freezer.
Tornadoes can happen anytime, anywhere, and can come quick. That was the case for senior Alex Nelson when she was in middle school.
And the surveillance camera at the middle school caught the whole thing happening. So whenever you could, if you watch it, it's on YouTube or whatever. If you watch it, it's so weird because like in a tornado, stuff happens so quick, and then all at once everything's ruined. Like it's just ruined.